Hello everyone, Namaskar. In this video, we are going to discuss activity given on page number 36 of Geometry of Standard 9. And these activities are very important and can be asked in question number 2A and question number 3A. I have already explained the pattern of standard 9th of mathematics, that is of algebra and geometry. I will put link in description box, right? So what is activity? That is in terms of theorem. What is it? Let us read statement. If the measures of angles of a triangle are 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree, then the length of each side containing the right angle is 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse. So, what is the type of triangle? See here, triangle contains angles of measurement 45 degree and 90 degree. Then these are the sides making right angle, right? These are the sides making right angle. Then these sides making right angle, they are 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse, right? If I label this triangle as ABC according to given in textbook, see here ABC, right? So side AB and side BC, these are the sides containing right angle, right? So AB is equal to BC. These are the sides containing right angle. So these are nothing but 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? It is AC. So what we have to prove? AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 into AC. Clear? Right? So here you know how to apply Pythagoras theorem. Write in comment box. So let us start. What we have in triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree. See, this angle is 90 degree. Then angle A and angle C are 45 degree. A and C are 45 degree. These two angles are equal. Therefore, BC is equal to AB. You know, see here, these two angles are equal. So when two angles are equal in a triangle, then side opposite to them are also congruent. This is isosceles triangle theorem. ट्राइंगल में अगर दो एंगल सेम है तो साइड अपोजिट टू देम दे आर ऑल्सो कॉन्ग्रुएंट, राइट? सो हियर ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी. Here we have BC is equal to AB, right? These two sides are equal. Okay. Now what we have by Pythagoras theorem? How will you apply Pythagoras theorem? All of you know how to apply. What is it? See here, AB square plus BC square is equal to hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. So what you will write here? You will write AC square. Clear? Then here what we have, BC is equal to AB, right? BC is equal to AB. So instead of this BC, what you will write? AB. So it will be AB square plus AB square is equal to AC square, right? Now the next step, AB square plus AB square, what is it? Twice AB square. So twice AB square is equal to AC square, right? Now AB square is equal to, see here we know twice AB square is equal to AC square. So what do we have? AB square is equal to AC square upon 2. This 2 will here will be here, right? So what we write here? AC square upon 2. So I am writing here instead of this box, right? AC square upon 2. Now this is square and we want simple AB. Then for that what you will do? You will take square root. So taking square root, you will write here AB square is equal to AC square upon 2, right? And we know that 4 square its square, that is also 4. So AB square its square, that is nothing but AB, right? And here AC square its square, that is AC, right? and here what we have 1, square root 1 is 1, and 2 is not perfect square, so what you will write here? You will write square root 2 AC. So AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 AC, right? So here AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 AC, right? Then we have proved that the length of each side containing right angle is 1 upon root 2 into hypotenuse, right? So this is nothing but 45 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem.